into this facility, I see innovation, I see intentionality. This tour has opened and enlightened me to the very practical things that we've been learning in class.
To have an edifice like this that particularly emphasizes on waste management. We've seen the whole process flow of plastic, from how it's been disposed to how it's been recycled from one process to the other until we have the flakes.
The facility is mind-blowing, from the machines to the automation process. I mean, you can see a lot of work has been done here. And I mean, I love it so much. I love the experience. I've seen the solutions here. I've learned a lot, and the facility is absolutely amazing.
This will enable Nigeria and West Africa, Africa at large, to have a greener atmosphere where we can actually bring value out of waste. I'd like to appreciate the Sustainable Waste Management team of the Lagos Business School for this fantastic put together. We've had fantastic online sessions, and I can tell you it's a great one. Thank you, LBS.
To get grants, why are you doing this? Your story must talk about why.
When I started this program, the way I saw waste was that, okay, waste you take, you discard, some if you could recycle, you recycle, but now I'm seeing wealth in waste.
They open my eye more to an in-depth understanding of what sustainability and circular economy is. They make us also understand the logic behind leadership. They also taught us how to manage our employees.
LBS has been a very strong partner to Aspire Coronation Trust Foundation over the last 5 years, a non-profit organization working with an academic institution to ensure that we are not just promoting impact, but we're also promoting excellence in academic engagement. Not just about how many people that we have trained, but we also want to see that a certain number of shifts has happened within the community, whether it is driving increased revenue, increasing employment, or even basically just improving the health and quality of life in their localities.
These past 6 weeks, I've been able to see that beyond collection of wastes, transportation, or maybe managing the entire process till we get to disposal, there is a whole lot that we can still do with wastes beyond these 3 processes that I mentioned.
This is an opportunity where you can come, think deep about what the value chain is, and look at ways by which you could bring innovation, introduce technology. Collaboration among stakeholders will facilitate effective waste management. I think this program is very necessary for the recycling space. What it does for the environment is that the more we have players, the more we're able to achieve circularity, we're able to reach reduction in plastic. So what we'll see is there'll be cohesion, and in the long run, we'll begin to see the benefits of a program like this for the recycling space and for the environment in Nigeria.
What we're trying to do is to create a pipeline of entrepreneurs that are sustainable in their business, and those who would, at the end of the day, be proponents of this sector and have viable businesses that can linger into the future. Has been successful case studies for this program.
I'm very grateful to Lagos Business School Sustainability Centre, first for the quality of the team they have put together to teach us, and for ACT Foundation for the funding. I am trusting that all of us who have been a member of this cohort will be strengthened enough to pay it forward.